Welcome to Hiberna. This is what we've named our acreage. It is Latin for winter, since we are in west central Alberta in the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. We see winter for pretty close to 5 to 6 months out of the year, so our growing season is very short. My name's Dean, and this is my acreage. If you're seeing this video, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and watch us grow and join us on our journey. I'm going to start off small with microgreens and try growing that business. Here in my older mobile, my wife and 4 kids, we have a good internet connection that I built 5 years ago and then sold it 2 years ago. And we will be looking to homestead this property now that we've been here for 6 years. So this is it. All ours. So we've got 4.4 acres. We've got an older mobile, we've got an addition, got a shed, and I got a tower for internet. And we're going to take this acreage and we are going to bring on some animals this coming year. We got pigs, we got goats. We're going to put chickens over here with our garden, and you can see the greenhouse shelter that I've already started, and we'll get that finished up before spring. I have another one of those I'm going to go pick up, and we're going to create ourselves a 400 square foot greenhouse out of that skeleton. I thank you for stopping by. My name's Dean. This is Hiberna Farm. I invite you to hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey as we take this adventure together. And I look forward to reaching out to you guys through the comments and getting to know you. So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video.